Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
La Penlong Yaga District Conference Kabalai Penrio Jong Rotary International District 3240 Kabalai Kateng Pradit Wani Symphony of Nature and Knowledge Halarity Maudiang Diang Hakabla Lumlang Yaki Rotarian Nakibenta Paper Jong Gajala Kathan State Lamingi Bat Nakiwi Pat Kibenta Jong Kari Habagran Hakani Gachin Kandulang Upratiat Dap Barman Ulapan Pau Yaki Jingno Asanyang Babunja Jongki Rotary Club Hakaliang ka puliputhi ka kwat ka khya bar ka imlang ka salang ulong ba ka jinya tali ka bashisha ka nong tang haba ki Briew kinne daga jing iet ka jing snoret ba ka jinglong ba shisha habakrani ka jing sham jong u hashulong uda Barman ulong ba ka nong ba ashlong ka Hikai u yag jinon kam ban pdang yag jat ben Briew bat kinyam ba per bat ban imlang ha ka jinya tali lang kram dale ashiliang khamat ulakdo ba ki Rotarian ki yai beteng ban shakri ka imlang ka salang bat pen pau ka jingkman halor ka jing shimbenta jong nong mikmat na ki than ba per henrei ulakdo bakat ba ki Briew ha ka than ste lamingi ki tip ya ka jingkio ha ka lengkari bon ki wipat ki benta jong kari India ki pat tip Shaphang ka than ulakan tu ya ka Rotary bandan benta ban pen sngu tho ki nong thau policy ha Delhi bat banya side na ka benta ka jing mikmat bat jingpen sngu tho ka ba khambo ni ka than ste lamingi ha ka gadan jong kari udab Barman ula banjur shu bakari ka Kamram jong ka Sorkar India ban Hikai ki pateng ban wan Shaphang ka than ste lamingi kenthop ya ka history ka culture bat ki jing e jongka lingba ki jing Hikai school ula ong ba ka jing bom dan jing tep kandangi beteng lada omshim yakum kini ki senja dak ba kentu ki na shimbenta ban shim ki senjam ki ba shim khya ula ong ba wat lada ki jing pershang kim urlong mador hende ki jing pershang hi ka long ba kongsan ula ban rap ru ba wat la ula le jing le chekaleng ki jaka Hendai ujuan pai biang shashilong kajaka kebalpenwandor ke jinang jing start berkejing pet jomu.
Perhaps today is a good time for me to get an entry to this wonderful club. I have known about Rotary Club. In fact, I've only known about Rotary Club since my school days. And it need not be mentioned that you all have done some wonderful work. You have done some wonderful work, not only on education, but on health, on wellness and awareness. But most importantly, I think the resonance why I'm here as well today is because when we speak about unity, when we speak about friendship, fellowship, it can only happen when you have the warmth and the heart to do it. Today, very rightly, Mr. Skemp has said that I have studied in Shillong. And I learned a lot from a place like Shillong. I am not from Shillong, I am from Tripura. But I learned a lot from Shillong and I am grateful for what Shillong taught me. It taught me how to accept other communities, languages, religion, and to live amongst everyone without having an opinionated point of view. It is important to have a view, but it is not important to critique everything. And I think what Rotarians have done is that you have selflessly worked across over decades, helping people, helping those who did not have an opportunity to be helped. When I hear about the polio eradication program, when I hear from Manas Chaudhary about the role of the Rotary Club in the creation of the United Nations after the Second World War, we are looking at people who had the intent to help build society. Today, I am very glad that people have come from different parts of the region to be here in Shillong. And while you are all here in Shillong, I would also like for all of you all to press for one more thing which I think is extremely important. We have many distinguished people who are influential. I see Baichung Bhutia right here in front of me. I see Patricia Mukim here. I see Director of Negrims here. Many distinguished people on the dais and sitting here. You know, I think the biggest challenge that we face in the northeast of India is that while we know a lot about the rest of India, we know about the Mughals, we know about the Chola dynasty, we know about the Quit India movement, we know about what happens in Chennai, or we know what happens in Punjab, Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. How many of the rest of India know about us? Can the Rotary Club take an initiative to actually impress upon the wise people who sit in Delhi to have a proper chapter on the northeast of India? Because, whenever I see the only way we can bridge gaps within our country, a great country like India, a great civilization, is when there is enough information. I think it is also the duty of the government of India to teach the children of the upcoming generation about our region. Because if they grow up uninformed, like their parents, like their grandparents, this bridge will never be divided. All my life I have heard that Northeast means one-horned rhinoceros from Kaziranga, world's wettest place, Cherrapunji. We have our own heroes, we have our own stories, we have our own culture, we have our own language, we have our own food. And till the rest of India does not know, is not informed in the school books, in the curriculum about our culture, our language, our history, we will never get equal respect. So I would like for all of you all from the Northeast to at least have a submission that the government of the day also honor, not just by opening bridges, which is very important, honor by opening roads, institutions, but also inform the rest of India that this is also an integral part of it. We face a lot of challenges, and the challenges that we face is when Barman has said, he put in a few points, but they think these are local, they are not national. But development is never at the larger stage, it is also at the ground level. Today, you all are all here. We are all here. What will be the output of this meeting? Do we only sit down for 3 days and have a conversation, or do we take the conversation ahead? We have many doubters. Many doubters will doubt me right now. They say whatever you are saying is not possible. Give up, chhod do, is not possible. What can Rotary Club do? What can Pradyot Manikya do? What can any individual do? What can one newspaper do? But when Shillong Times started in 1945, just after the World War II, right, at the same time, United Nations started. I don't think, I'm sure there must have been many doubters. But we tried, you tried, your family tried. And today, it is still here. You will have your detractors, but you stuck your neck out. Sometimes, when people have ideas, when people speak about unity, we automatically have many people who will say, chhod do, it's not possible. It is not possible for a Khasi to speak. It is not possible for a Meitei to speak, or a Tripuri to speak, or a Boro, or a Dimasa, or a Jaintia, or a Garo to speak. It is not possible for Baichung Bhutia to bring up Indian football. People try. Try. If you fail, at least you will have the satisfaction that I tried something. I tried to unify our people. I tried to unify, build up my region, my organization. Because in the end, these same very people who will question you today must have questioned when we fought against the British. Today, we are speaking about certain projects. Green energy is another area where I think something can be done. 30% of India does not have clean drinking water. Nagendji, you said that. 100% of Delhi does not have clean air. Yet in the parliament we discuss Vande Mataram. We should think about our children's future. We should think about our next generation. Because of our mistakes, because of our narrow, divisive nature, we are discussing things which at actually are not of as importance as our children's future. We talk about how great our country is, but we don't talk about what this country's children's future will be. So, my question is, are we ready as individuals? And if you are, then you have people, some who are here, some who are standing in front of you, and some of you within yourself. You are capable of speaking up. It's just that our trust, हमारे अंदर से हमारा विश्वास को हटाया गया है. And the day we know how to have faith in what we are saying, whether it is as Rotary Club, whether it is as individuals, whether it is as mothers, sisters, brothers, whether as citizens, then our country will definitely come up. And our region, our northeast region will definitely come up. I'm here today. I've traveled far and wide. But I always come back to the place which gave me my knowledge. And knowledge was given to me right here in this very soil. I may belong to another state, but I belong to a region which accepted me, nurtured me, and gave me the confidence to come here in front of all of you and speak. I don't have a script in front of me, I don't have a speech in front of me. But what I have is the passion and the commitment to take our people ahead. We are the indigenous people of Northeast. We have lived here, and when I speak about indigenous, I also speak about the communities which have come and made our region richer. We are secular people, we are indigenous people, and we have learned to live with, coexist with nature, with our people, and held on to our traditions for very long. But it hurts my self-respect and dignity when I see someone in a jainsam and someone says, "Ye kya kapda pehen rahi hai?" It hurts my self-respect. Well, I am not a Khasi, but it hurts my self-respect. But then I don't blame the other person. I blame the system which has not informed the so-called intellectual of knowing about another part of India's culture. And mark my words, if we do not unite, because nobody knows outside, whether you are from Meghalaya, whether you are from Manipur, whether you are from Nagaland, whether you are from Arunachal, whether you are from Sikkim or you are from Tripura. Nobody knows that. They look at you as a region, Northeastern. And believe me, if we do not protect our culture, our history, our future, our education, our knowledge, our land, then you do not have to kill a civilization by murdering them. You can do it by taking away all relevant information. You take away a person's language, you take away his history, her land, her identity, food, culture, you have anyway finished the civilization. So our challenge is not what we have done. What we have done is tremendous. And that's the reason we are here today. But what we have to do is fight for our next generation. I see many parents here. Please do not give up the fight for your next generation. Because this is no longer about us. It's about the future. It's about what we can offer, how we can rise as people. The Rotary Club in the next 3 days will have various discussions. But character building, leadership, integrity, honesty are very important facets which the Rotary Club holds close to themselves. Manas Chaudhary may not remember, but I remember when you came out with a booklet when you were an MLA on the work you had done in your constituency. It was the year 2005 or 6. I remember that. I tried to replicate it in Tripura. I completely failed. Because You cannot push down an agenda on another leader. The leader has to have it in their heart. So first, you need to create good quality people. You need to create quality. You need to promote quality, character building, and then the results will flow. And there are many challenges that you will have, but challenges have been there before. Now, it will happen even in the future. But the most important thing is, are you ready to accept that in the year 2026, all of us will be a better version than what we were last year? And if you can take that challenge upon yourself, I am sure we will succeed. And if we fail, well, we tried. If it didn't succeed, nobody can question you for not trying. I, for my personal self, Baichung, my friend is here, are here, I will try. And I will try till the very end to hold the dignity of our people, our community, our region, and yes, our country till the very end. And if you all can do the same, I think it would be a good way to look ahead in the future. Belai no Hambai, Kublai Shubun, thank you very much. God bless.